Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the official syllabus for the VMware Professional Develop VMware Spring exam and explain what you need to learn to pass. The syllabus is divided into 5 sections with exact weights. Section 7 carries 40%, Section 1 carries 20%, Section 4 carries 16%, Section 5 carries 12%, and Section 6 carries 12%, totaling 100%. Each section lists focus areas, difficulty, estimated learning hours, and assessment type so you can prioritize study time effectively. Section 7, Administrative and Operational Tasks is the heaviest domain at 40%, marked hard, with an estimated 40 hours and scenario-based assessments. This section focuses on Spring MVC development, Spring Data JPA repositories, and Spring Security implementation, so expect deep, practical scenarios. You will learn RESTful controller design and URI pattern mapping, handler method argument resolution, HTTP message converters and content negotiation, exception handling with that controller advice, client interactions using REST template and web client, filter and interceptor configuration, repository abstraction and query derivation with Spring Data JPA, custom @query and JPQL usage, transaction management and entity lifecycle, plus Spring security concepts like authentication versus authorization, the security filter chain, method-level security with @pre-authorize and @secured, password storage strategies, CSRF protection, configuring user details service and authentication providers, and handling unauthorized access and login flows. Section 1, Architecture and Technologies accounts for 20%, is medium difficulty, estimated at 20 hours, and evaluated through conceptual and scenario-based questions. This domain covers core Spring fundamentals including inversion of control, dependency injection patterns, and AOP fundamentals. You will study application context initialization and configuration, constructor versus setter injection, bean scopes such as singleton and prototype and web-aware scopes, lifecycle callbacks and bean post processors, component scanning and stereotype annotations, Java-based configuration and bean definitions, plus AOP concepts like join points, advice and point cuts, advice types including before, after and around, point cut expression syntax, proxy strategies with JDK proxies and CGLIB, and aspect annotation support to implement cross-cutting concerns. Section 4, Installing, Configuring, and Setup represents 16%, is rated easy, estimated at 15 hours, and assessed hands-on and conceptually. The focus is Spring Boot bootstrapping, auto-configuration, and environment management so you can rapidly create and configure applications. You will master the @Spring Boot application meta-annotation, how Spring Boot starters work and how to override them, auto-configuration mechanics and @conditional annotations, externalized configuration using properties and YAML, profile-based environments for different deployments, and build tool integration through Spring Boot Maven and Gradle plugin capabilities. Section 5, Performance Tuning, Optimization, and Upgrades makes up 12%, is medium difficulty, estimated at 12 hours, and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This area emphasizes observability and caching so applications run reliably in production. You will learn to enable and secure actuator endpoints, create health indicators and custom checks, collect metrics with micrometer integration, apply the Spring Cache abstraction with @cacheable and @cacheevict, configure Cache Manager for production providers, and monitor application performance using JMX. Section 6, Troubleshooting and Repairing is 12%, medium difficulty, estimated at 13 hours, and assessed with scenario-based tasks focused on testing and debugging strategies. You will learn JUnit 5 integration with the Spring Test Context Framework and how to write integration tests using @Spring Boot Test, test web layers with mock MVC, isolate components using @mockbean and @spybean, perform data layer slice testing with @data JPA test, manage transactional behavior and rollbacks in tests, and test REST services with test REST template to diagnose and repair real-world issues. That wraps up the syllabus overview for VMware Professional Develop VMware Spring. Use the provided weights, difficulty levels, and estimated hours to build a study plan. Focus first on Section 7 and then balance architecture, bootstrapping, observability, and testing. and practice hands-on scenarios to prepare for the exam.